kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Blue color, orange color, green color, black color, violet color, yellow color, pink color, and brown color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letter A, B, C, D. Let's trace A. A for apple. Pink color. A. A for aunt. A. A for aeroplane. A. A for alligator. B. B for ball. B. B for butterfly. B. B for bat. B. B for balloon. Red color. C. C for cat. C. C for car. C. C for cap. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. D. D for dinosaur. D. D for drum. D. D for dolphin. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. A. A for aunt. B. B for balloon. A. A for alligator. B. B for basket. A. A for apple. B. B for balloon. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. C. C for car. D. D for door. C. C for cap. D. D for dolphin. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.